In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Jira and add a team member to your project. This straightforward process will help you efficiently manage your team and project settings within Jira. Let's get started. First, open up the Chrome browser on your computer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Once you've got Chrome fired up, navigate to the Jira website. If you don't have it bookmarked, you can simply type in Jira's website address into the search bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to sign in. Enter your credentials carefully, your username and password, and click the sign in button. It's important to ensure you enter your details correctly to avoid any login issues. Next, now that you're logged into Jira, you need to locate your specific project. Look to the sidebar. This is the navigation area that will help you move through different sections of Jira. Click on the Projects tab. This will show you a list of all the projects you have access to. Browse through the list and select the project you want to work with by clicking on its name. This step is crucial as it directs you to the particular project where you want to add a team member. With your project now open, it's time to move to the project settings. These settings allow you to customize and manage your project effectively. Look at the left-hand menu again and scroll down until you see the option labeled Project Settings. Click on it and wait for the settings page to load. Here, you have a myriad of options to tweak and control various project aspects. Now you're going to manage your team by adding a new member. Under the project settings, look for the section titled People. This section is all about your team members and collaborators. Click on Add People to initiate the process of inviting someone new. In the Invite User screen that appears, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the team member you wish to add. Carefully type in the address to ensure the invitation is sent to the correct person. After entering the email, you'll see an option to assign a role to your new team member. Depending on their duties, you can choose a role like developer, admin, or viewer. Assigning the correct role is essential as it defines what permissions the user will have access to within the project. Finally, once you've entered the email and chosen the appropriate role, click the Add button. This action will send an email invitation to the specified team member, welcoming them to your project in Jira. Once they accept the invitation, they will be able to log in and start collaborating with the team. That's it. You've successfully logged into Jira and added a team member to your project. The process is simple and quick, ensuring that you can focus more on productivity and less on administrative tasks. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.